Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well and that everything is going great for you. In this video, I'm going to share with you a clever method and an effective strategy to increase your watch hours. Many of us struggle to meet the YouTube monetization requirements for our channels, right? Well, the method I'm going to share with you today is an innovative and exclusive trick that will help you reach the necessary number of hours to enable monetization. But that's not all. This method also helps grow your YouTube channel and improve your visibility. What we're going to do is create powerful backlinks, which are especially valued by YouTube's algorithm. As you know, the more a video is shared outside the platform, the more visibility it gains inside YouTube itself. This will help your videos appear more often in suggestions and search results. So, without wasting any more time, let's dive straight into the explanation. Let's go! To show you that this method really works, I tested it myself on a demo channel. This channel had only one video and 0 watch hours at the start. You'll see, the results are simply incredible. Alright, let's get into the tutorial. Step 1. Go to the website. I'll put the link in the description. It's an advertising site specialized in customized banners. What's great about this site is that you only pay for the results you get: clicks, impressions, or exposure time. Step 2. Create your advertising campaign. Start by choosing the size of your banner. I recommend selecting the smallest size, 300 by 50, to minimize costs. Next, set the goal of your campaign. Here, choose payment by exposure time. Step 3. Define the total duration of your campaign. There are several options to choose from: 100 hours, 200 hours, 1,000 hours, or even more, depending on the reach you want. In this example, we'll customize the campaign size and choose 50 hours, which will cost us around €7. It's important to note that the number of hours you choose represents the total time your ad will be displayed, so it's essential to use a long video to ensure it can play throughout the entire ad display time. This will maximize your campaign's effectiveness and get you the best return while gaining as many watch hours as possible for your YouTube channel. Step 4. Additional settings. Choose the category related to your content. Add keywords if you want. Personally, I leave this blank. Step 5. Add your YouTube video link. First, enter your personal details: your first name, last name, email address, and phone number. Then, insert the link to your YouTube video in an embeddable format. This link will be used as the banner for your ad campaign. Once you've entered all the information, preview your banner and confirm. As you can see, our video now appears as an integrated banner ad, with the same dimensions we selected earlier. Step 6. Launch your advertising campaign. Make the payment via bank card or PayPal. Once confirmed, your campaign is usually launched within 1 to 2 hours. You will receive an email with all the details, including a tracking link to monitor the campaign's performance. Here's the result of our campaign, with all the details including the tracking link, which lets us follow the progress. We click on it to view the stats. The statistics will start appearing as soon as the campaign is reviewed and approved, which usually takes less than an hour. The results will start showing, with views increasing on your YouTube video. After just 2 days of the campaign, the results are simply impressive. We managed to accumulate over 240 watch hours, a number confirmed by the short link statistics used in the campaign. This clearly shows that the strategy works perfectly and helps reach your goals quickly, but that's not all. By checking YouTube Studio, we can see that 200 watch hours have been officially added to the monetization counter. This means that not only did the campaign generate watch hours, but they also counted toward the criteria needed to activate monetization for our channel. These results prove the effectiveness of this method, especially when it's well optimized. With such an approach, it's possible to reach the 4,000 watch hours goal in a short time while staying within YouTube's rules. My tips to optimize your results: use an original and long video. This method is perfect to boost your YouTube SEO. Finally, always check your emails for campaign details. That's it, my friends. This is the method that helped me reach my watch hours easily and at a low cost. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. Again, I'll put my Facebook link in the description. Thanks for watching, and see you soon in the next video.